Welcome to another tutorial by Sabrina Tre. Today we talk about Dropbox. Dropbox is an app that is indispensable for your computer, your cell phone, your tablet, and I could say that this app is a must. It's available for computers, tablets and cell phones, and saves and shares your pictures with all your devices. At the first sight it looks like it's not so important, but when you need really to be able to use your pictures immediately without cables, this app is what you need. How does it work? How does it work? You take a picture with your cell phone, for example. That is now, the easiest way to do it. And the Dropbox copies the picture on a private space online, on the web. Private space that only you can access and only you can decide if to share or keep in private. From the private space on the internet, Dropbox loads a picture on your computer and tablet at the same time. And this way you can work on your picture immediately from every device without using cables. So it's something that Dropbox does for you immediately. So you take the picture on your cell phone and automatically this picture is sent by Dropbox. It's sent to your tablet, your computer, and automatically is available for you on other devices, and is saved also as a backup, because Dropbox is a different folder than your gallery folder on your cell phone, for example. But so let's begin, step by step. Okay, the first step. Go to www.dropbox.com and create an account for free. Remember to write down the email address and password that you choose, because it's very easy to forget. Once you don't remember the password that you used, then you can't sync all your devices. It's very important that you use the same account in each one. The email address has to be an existing one, an email address that you use all the time. Instead, the password is to invent. Don't use the password of your email. When an app asks you for the password, it's not the password of the email, it's a password to invent. And make sure that you have a little notebook where you copy where you write down all these passwords so you don't forget them. The second step, download the Dropbox application on each computer, smartphone and tablet you want to sync with. For example, I have a computer, I have a tablet, I have a cell phone. In each device I have Dropbox. For each device, use the same email and password. And in every device now you will have a Dropbox icon containing the same pictures. Okay, on the computer I have an icon with a Dropbox folder with all my pictures, and at the same time I have another icon on my cell phone. If I click on it, I find again the same pictures, and so it's the same thing on my tablet. And then if I go on my gallery on my cell phone, probably I will find the same pictures. But the good thing is that if I erase some pictures from the gallery, if they had been already downloaded by Dropbox, I will never lose them, because they are now safely stored and backed up on the Dropbox on the web. So the computer, where can we find this application? Computer from www.dropbox.com is called install the app, for Windows, Mac. On the tablet or smartphone Windows, they have the Windows App Store, and in the search box you look for Dropbox. The same thing for tablet or smartphone run by Android operation system. The same you can find Dropbox on the Google Play Store. The tablet or smartphone from Apple, you go to the App Store. In which case you have just to write the name Dropbox on the search space. The third step, when the smartphone tablet app ask you to synchronize the pictures of your device with Dropbox, answer yes. Doing so, every time you take a picture on your cell, the image will appear in the Dropbox folder of every device. You will see it's automatic. You load the app on your cell phone, and the moment you activate it, I mean, you follow the steps, putting your email and your password in, so you log in. The app will ask you, do you want to sync the content of your cell phone, means the content of your gallery, and means the pictures and the videos on your cell phone, you want to sync them with Dropbox, and you have to say yes. This is very important, because the next time you take a picture, you don't have even to get into Dropbox or tell Dropbox anything, because everything will be automatic. Instead, when the same thing happens on your computer, means when you download the app, the same Dropbox app on your computer, and it asks you the same thing, I would suggest you to say no. This is because usually we tend to put in our computer a lot of pictures, a huge amount of pictures. So, because Dropbox has a limited storage capacity, if we put the computer and then, so in Dropbox, all these pictures, so we clog it. It will tell us, I'm full, there is no more space, you can't use it anymore, and then it will ask you to pay, because of course you can have additional space by upgrading, paying. So, I will say we'll find another app. I will tell you another app that has a limited space, a limited backup space for the pictures. And this app is very easy to use and can coexist. You can stay with the Dropbox on your computer at the same time, and they work very well together. Well, I will cover this on another tutorial. So. Just a few things to remember. In order to use Dropbox for free, you need to load the app on your PC. Little time ago wasn't like this. You could use just Dropbox on your cell phone and back up your pictures. And so you could log in on the internet, on the Dropbox on the internet, Dropbox.com, and it will be fine. Now, instead, Dropbox decided to give you the service for free only if you install the Dropbox app on your computer. It means that this app will create the folder I showed you before, the permanent folder on your computer with the backup. Clean regularly your Dropbox folder from unwanted pictures to make room. Remember, Dropbox has a limited space for free. Working on one device will affect all the others connected to your account, so you don't have to go through all the devices to clean your space, your Dropbox space. You do on your cell phone, and it will be fine in every other, on your computer and on your tablet. If your Dropbox folder is full, just cut and copy the pictures in a separate folder on your PC. Okay, it's just a folder, so you open the folder, you select all the pictures, you click right click on your mouse, you choose cut, then you create a folder on your desktop, naming, I don't know, Dropbox month of or Dropbox 2017, okay, all the pictures of the year. Then you right click again on this folder and you select paste, and this way all the content of Dropbox will be emptied and put on your computer. Do this when you see that it's really getting full, your Dropbox folder. But if you don't take so many pictures, and if you clean up your Dropbox space regularly, maybe you don't have to do this before, several years. In your smartphone tablet, remember to erase the wanted pictures from the gallery, or Dropbox will keep acquiring the same material. Remember that the Dropbox acquires the material from your gallery in the cell phone or in the tablet if you take pictures. Okay, so if I empty the Dropbox folder and I save it on my computer, so I clean up my Dropbox, but I still have the gallery full of pictures, Dropbox will back up again those pictures, so it will be full again. So remember, clean your gallery, clean your Dropbox so that you don't have any sync to do. Okay, I think it's enough, and in the next tutorial we will learn how to use the extra features of Dropbox, like the sharing option and the creation of new folders. Dropbox is a very, very interesting app that gives you a lot of opportunities and possibilities, and especially when you have pictures, when you're dealing with pictures or videos that are very heavy, in the meaning of megabyte to send through internet. And so, I can't send 20 pictures through email, but I can share the same amount of pictures through my Dropbox space, and we'll find out how to do it. So follow the blog and sign to be informed of a new post, and thank you for watching. Go to selflearningtech.blogspot.com. Thank you.